What's going on, guys? Got the Capra back out here at Chit's Creek. Got her stretched out to 13 inches, sitting on the 1.9s. We're gonna take the high road today. See how these tires really do out here. Get a little tricky here. So far, I'd almost say these tires are a little stickier out here in the dirt over those Mickey Thompson 2.2s. Still having a bit of belly clearance issue. Making easy work of it. Easy work. Real quick, guys, all I like to say thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. All the comments, all the kind words. Little pose shot, maybe a thumbnail. Articulation. Alright guys, we done made it over here to the big falls area. Heading up this way here. Get that stick out of the way. Missed my line. Back her on up. Definitely missed the line. Not sure what happened there. I know what happened. It's the 1.9s versus the 2.2s. Yeah, climb onto that butt of that. side hill going on now. Hung up on a root. Hung up on some roots. Alright. And get back down here with the machete and do some weed whacking. Well, we made it to the end of the high trail on this side. So we'll cut across the creek, head back down the other way. Ooh, check out that killer vine. Ooh, that thing will get you. Capra just don't care. When you know how to work your four-wheel steer, when to work it, oh yeah, unstoppable. Looks like we're dragging a stick. Gotta get my driver's heads back in there. Rolling blind. Got about 27% overdrive portal gears in this thing. Running the Desert Lizzard. I don't remember, 90 or 100 millimeter length. A full size dig servo, waterproof servo. Dig action, release. deal, guys. Carbon Capra. 2.2s or 1.9s. It don't care. It'll go anywhere. Full droop, so when it bellies out, that wheel drops all the way to the ground just about every time. Go ahead and cross back across the creek. Oh, a little deep right there. Alright guys, that's the end of the creek run. I'd like to thank y'all for riding along with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Tell you what, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. If you hadn't subscribed, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the channel. Tell me what you think about the Capra. Tell me what you think, period. I like talking to y'all. So, hell yeah. Till next time, RC Anything RC. I'm Nick. Peace out.